The following Philo additional terms of service for Apple devices can be found on the Philo website at about.philo.com/terms/apple-terms. There will be a link below in the video's description. Additional terms for the services on Apple devices, effective date, November 14, 2017. These additional terms for the services on Apple devices, Apple terms, are between Philo Inc., Philo, we, us, our, and you and apply to your use of the Philo application you obtained from the Apple App Store, Philo app, in addition to Philo's terms of service and privacy policy, linked at philo.com/privacy. The Philo app is a service, as that term is defined in Philo's terms of service. 1. Acknowledgement. Philo, not Apple, is solely responsible for the Philo app and the content thereof. 2. Scope of license. The license granted to you for the Philo app is a non-transferable license to use the Philo app on any Apple-branded products that you own or control and as permitted by the usage rules set forth in the App Store Terms of Service, except that the Philo app may be accessed, acquired, and used by other accounts associated with the purchaser via family sharing or volume purchasing. 3. Maintenance and support. Philo and you acknowledge that Apple has no obligation whatsoever to furnish any maintenance and support services with respect to the Philo app. 4. Warranty. Apple is not responsible for any product warranties for the Philo app, whether express or implied by law. In the event of any failure of the Philo app to conform to any applicable warranty, you may notify Apple, and Apple will refund the purchase price for the Philo app to you. And to the maximum extent permitted by applicable law, Apple will have no other warranty obligation whatsoever with respect to the Philo app. 5. Product claims. Apple is not responsible for addressing any claims of you or any third party relating to the Philo app or your possession and/or use of the Philo app, including, but not limited to, 1. Product liability claims. 2. Any claim that the Philo app fails to conform to any applicable legal or regulatory requirement. And 3. Claims arising under consumer protection or similar legislation. 6. Intellectual property rights. In the event of any third-party claim that the Philo app or your possession and use of the Philo app infringes that third party's intellectual property rights, Apple will not be responsible for the investigation, defense, settlement, and discharge of any such intellectual property infringement claim. 7. Legal compliance. You represent and warrant that 1. You are not located in a country that is subject to a U.S. government embargo, or that has been designated by the U.S. government as a terrorist-supporting country, and 2. You are not listed on any U.S. government list of prohibited or restricted parties. 8. Third-party beneficiary. Philo and you acknowledge and agree that Apple and Apple's subsidiaries are third-party beneficiaries of the terms of service and the Apple terms, and that, upon your acceptance of the terms of service and the Apple terms, Apple will have the right, and will be deemed to have accepted the right, to enforce the terms of service and the Apple terms against you as a third-party beneficiary thereof. This has been a reading of the Philo additional terms for the services on Apple devices, effective date, November 14, 2017. A link to the full text can be found in the video's description. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.